Hello, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Lee and I'm coming to you guys today with another Amazon wig review. So let's just hop right into the video. This is what the wig came in. It's another curly unit. Comes with some eyelashes. The netted cap comes with a pamphlet with a couple of questions that you might have for the company. And this is the wig. As you guys know, I love curly units, so I seen this one on Amazon and I just had to get it. She's orange. I absolutely love the color. So pretty. This is what the inside looks like. It has no combs, just adjustable bands. So I'm just gonna go and try this on for you guys before I do anything else to it. You don't really have to do much to this wig. So I'm gonna try it on and I'll be right back. Okay, this is her straight out of the packaging. As you see, the bangs are too long, so I will definitely have to cut it a bit so I can frame it to my face. But this is what she looks like. I really do love this color. It is so vibrant. I really do love this color. So I like my hair pretty big, so I'm definitely going to fluff this out a bit and I'm going to frame it to my face because the bang is too long. And then I will be back to show you guys the finished look. So this is the final look after I cut it and I fluffed it out a bit. I absolutely love it, love the color. So make sure you guys go and check them out. They have different colors available. So make sure you let me know down in the comment section how you feel about this wig. Also, let me know what type of videos you guys would like to see on my channel. Make sure you go follow me on Instagram. Let me just show you what the back looks like. I definitely recommend this wig. I will leave the link down in the description box. And I just want to thank you guys for tuning into my video and I will see you guys in the next one.